So how'd you slaughter them?
Well, they line up single file, and eventually they come into like a little cubicle like this, and you're standing above them. And as they come in, you push a button, a door drops down, and they're in this confined environment, like a big rectangle, like a big cubicle. And you're raised up, and you have this bell. You touch the head, and then doof, you knock it on the head. That shoots a bolt. It falls down and falls into the wall. Then you push a button, and the door slides up, and the cow rolls down. So you run down the steps, and as you're running down, you grab what's called a piffin rod. It's like a 8-foot long, flexible piece of plastic. It's in sterilized liquid. You pull that out as you run down. Then you put your like knee on belly. You put your knee on the head of the cow. You feel for the hole you just made in the hair. Then you get the end of the piffin rod. You push it into the hole.
Whoa.
You feed it all the way in until it's all the way into about this much out the top of the head.
How long's the rod?
About 8 foot.
8 foot.
And you feed it